Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. In such case, you'll have to set up a new face model for yourself. So go to Settings, select Biometrics and Passwords, go to Face Recognition, confirm with your parent, and if you have another facial profiles set up on this device, then remove them by selecting the face profile and select remove. And now let's add a new facial profile by clicking on this button, then select Get Started. But before we get started, let's use the dry towel to wipe the surface of the camera so that we can see ourselves. It's clearly in the camera, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set properly for the same reason. Tap Get Started when you're ready and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. Click Done. And before we proceed, let's also go into System and Updates, Software Update, and if you have any updates prepared for you, then go ahead, take your time and install all the updates to make sure that your firmware is working accordingly to your hardware. So click Newer Version, install now, and if you have the time, then take the time to install the update. And just before we proceed, let's also restart the tablet by holding down the power key for a while and selecting Restart, just to make sure that all the settings applied. So I'm gonna get back to you in a while. And once the tablet is restarted, let's first unlock it and then check how the facial recognition works now. So let me check this with you, and as you can see, it went pretty smoothly for me, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.